at first, talaga at the young age, I have experience of, ano yung parang traditional trader na kami, yung fish broker. So, parang I grow with that business. Sabi ko, I don't want to be a worker. Parang gusto ko talagang may something na kakaiba. So, pero when it comes to internet, network, tamad ako niyan. Then when I learned this trading, so sabi ko, parang iba to So, before I joined B, I had the idea of candlestick, and I go the forex trade here in Expo. Sabi ko, ano ba to? Parang isa, active. And then, siguro sa pagtsatsaga, parang napupunta ka talaga doon sa kung inaaral mo lang din talaga ng mind. Pero, nung first na-try ako, I win $300 without knowledge. But, pero,